Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you are enjoying my dishes. Today I am here with a new dish which is pumpkin banana pudding. We can say pudding. It is not pudding actually. Pudding is thick base. This is liquid base. Payasam. In Hindi it is known as kheer. So I am going to make that one today for you. Please enjoy it. And as I told, don't forget to subscribe. Now this sweet dish is a special dish because it was my birthday and my little princess birthday. So it's a birthday special. Okay, enjoy it. Yeah, let me introduce the ingredients for this pumpkin banana pudding or payasam. I have taken 1 kilo of pumpkin, cut into small pieces, and 2 Kerala bananas that also cut into small pieces and boiled. After boiling, I made paste of that one, and 1/4 kilo of Jaggery. I melted it, liquid that one, and this is 750 grams of coconut milk powder. Then I got small pieces of coconut, half coconut this one, then cardamom powder 1 teaspoon, then cumin seed again 1 teaspoon, then ginger powder I will take 1 teaspoon, then ghee I'll take around 6-7 tablespoon of ghee, then water, of course boiled water around 2 liters. This will be for serving for around 10 to 15 people. 15 people easily we can serve. So I'll be making around 3 liters of this pudding. Let us start. I'm going to on the fire. I will add here around 2 tablespoons of ghee. Okay, let it melt. Okay, good. Yeah, that's it. It melts. Give some time to melt it. Good. Okay, I'm going to add the paste of this pumpkin and banana paste. Okay. Yes. Let it boil for some time. Okay. It will take maybe 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Maybe 5 minutes is enough. Just boil it very well. Then we will add the Jaggery liquid. Yeah, you have to stir it continuously. Okay, for some times. Now it is boiling. Let it boil for 2-3 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it's ready now. I'm going to add the Jaggery here. You will lick it. Okay. Okay. See now. Boil. Okay. Yeah, it's boiling now. Yes. Very good. Look nice. Okay, let it boil for some time. Okay. Then we will add the milk powder, coconut milk powder. Not the first one, second, the third one. Then we will add the second one, then finally the first one. I have taken here some sago seed also, which is actually not optional. Okay, that I will show you when I am going to add that one. Thank you. Okay, it's ready now. I'm going to add the milk here. Look at here. This is very liquid. I have added here very little milk powder only, but added more water. This is normally known as third milk, we can say. Okay, third milk. Then after boiling this one, boiling it, it will reduce the size. Then I will add the second milk. Okay. Yes. This is almost 1 liter is there. Okay. Yeah. Now here I have added around 200 grams of coconut milk powder and 1 liter of water. Okay. So next one I will be adding around 300 grams of coconut milk powder with 1 liter of water. Okay. Now this I am going to add this sago seed. In Kerala it is known as chovari. So I am going to add this one. Let it boil. Okay. Okay. This is optional actually. That's why I didn't mention it in the when I introduced the ingredients. Yeah, let it boil. When I boil the pumpkin and the banana, there I added 2 pieces of cardamom and a pinch of ginger powder. It will give a different taste. Okay, yeah, so this is ready. I'm going to add the second meal. Here I have taken around 400 grams of coconut milk powder and around 3/4 liter of water, boiled water. Okay, that's it. Yes. Yeah, look, very good. Let it boil. So it is almost getting ready. We are there. In the meantime, what I will do, I will just fry the coconut pieces. Just more than let it fry. Yes. Okay, I think I will use a big one. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let the ghee melt. Okay, good. Yeah, melt. I will add the coconut to it. Okay, good. I'll reduce the fire here, otherwise. Okay, good. Let it fry for some time. It will be dark golden brown. Okay. Yeah, the coconut is ready. I'm going to add the cumin seed over here. Let it fry some time. Yes. Ready now. That's one ready. I'm going to add to this first milk, which I mix here the cardamom powder and ginger powder. Okay. Okay. I'll mix it well, and I'm going to add this to this is the final mix. Okay, the final mix over here. When you add the final mix, not necessary to boil it. Okay, you remember I shown you one banana that I'm going to add that one to this also. This is optional actually, because I like this flavor very much, banana flavor, so I'm adding. So if you like, you can add. If not, no need. Okay, it's the banana. I mix with some coconut milk powder, and it's ready now. Your pumpkin banana pudding, otherwise payasam, is ready to serve. I will transfer it to a serving bowl. And now it is in the serving bowl actually. So those who like to add cashew, they can do so. I have added here coconut, that's why I didn't add the cashew. Okay, now it's ready to serve. Thank you.
Hi.
Yeah, welcome back. So here is our dish ready to serve: pumpkin banana payasam or kheer or pudding. Pudding will be thicker, but this is liquid based. Okay, so my little princess will taste it now. Darling, please try it.
Okay.
Drink it. All right.
It's yummy, very yummy.
Is it? Is it so?
Yes,
Good.
yes.
So you drink it. Okay. Okay. Very good. Yeah.
Yes, I ate that full. Today it is very yummy, and every day it's yummy. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.
My little princess doll, please try at home, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe, and press the bell button. I'll be back with a new dish very soon. Goodbye.